Hey guys, today I did my eyebrow tutorial for you all. A little background on my eyebrows. They are kind of bushy and out of control, but I refuse to have them done professionally until I find someone who has pictures of their work and I know that their work is good, because I'm just way too picky about my brows now. But yes, I kind of went a little into detail about how I do my brows, and if you would like to see how I do my brows, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in and get really close in on this eyebrow so you can see what I'm doing. For my brows, I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I use the shade black because my hair is really dark. And ignore how just messy my brows are. I'm scarred and never want to get my eyebrows professionally done. So I just kind of try and shape them myself. And by shape them, I mean just kind of let them grow however they want. But whenever I was in the 8th grade, I used to take a razor and shave in between my brows, and I did that one too many times, and my brows probably started right about here. And then I also overplucked, so I'm really just now getting to where I'm okay with my brows normally. But I do still fill them in quite a bit because it's still pretty sparse right here where I want there to be an arch and at the tail end. But what you want to do is you want to go in and you want to start towards the middle of the brow. I like to do the top part first. Just short, really controlled strokes. And then whenever I get down here to the tail end, I like to start doing the bottom part. And for my brow, I really like to extend the tail. Just like that. And it's okay if it's a little messy because I go back in with a brush and clean it up. I don't really do the concealer. I just have such bushy brows that the concealer doesn't lay right around them. And then go up and do the top. Connect that down to the bottom. And then I like to brush it through, see if there's any sparse spots. Go back in. And then for the front, I don't really like to go in with a lot of product in the front of my brow because it's already pretty thick. But I do like to make just a couple little hair-like strokes. Very lightly, just go up. Now, I think that is where I'm wanting it. Now I'm going to go in with a small concealer brush. This is my Real Techniques one. And I like to just kind of sharpen that tail just a tad. Kind of like that. Not make it too thin, but I kind of like my tail really thin. And that's pretty much it. I've finally gotten to the point where it doesn't take me half an hour to do my eyebrows because they pretty much already have the shape except for the arch. But next I go in with a brow gel, and this is the L'Oreal brow gel, and I'm just going to run that through my brows real fast. And that is my completed brow. Like I said, they're not perfect because I'm too scared to pluck them too much, but I'm really happy with the shape that I can get with them now, so that's why I keep them all nice and bushy. I like to think of my brows as maybe cousins, not even sisters or twins, because they never look the same, but it's fine, you know? It's fine. Who has eyebrows that match perfectly every day? Not me. It's completely okay. But yes, that is how I do my brows. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. I hope that you learned something from it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!